Welcome to Zeta. Our company is located in Shanghai, China. This video will show the vacuum forming mold production process. The copper mold used for thermoforming is not entirely made of copper, but is made of plaster coated with a layer of copper. This way of production can save costs. We offer a number of rapid prototyping options that are available to you to help validate form, fit, and function of your future thermoform parts design. If you have a thermoforming project that needs to be made, you can contact us.